Good morning, children. Welcome to our class, Amma. In your previous class, I explained some lesson. That is third lesson, Festivals of India. And this lesson in the middle. So complete this lesson today, Amma. In next class, I will give FA1 revision on Monday. Okay, children. Now I complete this lesson because this is a middle in. Okay. Now up to Diwali finish, Amma. Let's see next Eid. What is the next festival? Eid. Eid is a Muslim festival. What is that? Eid is a Muslim festival. Now this festival comes after the month of Ramjan. When it comes, the festival after the month of Ramjan. During Ramjan, people fast for a month. During this Ramjan month, during 1 month, the people are fasting because not eating food, not eating drink water. Okay, from sunset to sunrise to sunset. Yes. So people are totally this month is during this month fasting. People ఏం చేస్తారు ఈ మంత్ టోటల్గా ఫుడ్ తినరు, వాటర్ తాగరు, డోంట్ ఈట్ ఎనీథింగ్, ఏ ఫుడ్ కానీ నాట్ టేక్ ఇట్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద ఫాస్టింగ్. పీపుల్ greet each other, eat Mubarak. So they wear new clothes and pray in mosques. What is this? Always in festivals times we are wearing new clothes. ఎవరైనా కొత్త కొత్త బట్టలు వేసుకుంటారు ఫెస్టివల్స్కి. అండ్ వి ప్రే టు మసీద్కి వెళ్ళి వీళ్ళు ప్రే చేసుకుంటారు. ఓకే, ప్రార్థనలు చేస్తారు. ఏ స్పెషల్ స్వీట్ డిష్ కాల్డ్ సేవియన్ ఈస్ కుక్డ్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద స్పెషల్ డిష్ అమ్మా? దే కుక్డ్ స్పెషల్ డిష్ సేమియా ఫర్ ఇన్ రంజాన్ మంత్. Food and clothes are given to the poor and donate food and clothes to poor people. This is about Eid. Next one, Amma, Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. Where it celebrated? 25th December. What is the festival, Amma? Christmas. The day marks the birth of Lord Jesus Christ. What is why you are celebrating this Christmas? The Lord Jesus is a birthday. Okay. Now Christmas go to the church and light candles. Christians, where you went, Amma? They will go to church. చర్చ్కి వెళ్ళి అక్కడ ప్రే చేస్తారు, క్యాండిల్స్ వెలిగిస్తారు. క్రిస్మస్ carlos a song. Christmas trees are decorated. Children wait for gift from Santa Claus. So Santa Claus giving gift to children in a Christmas festival. Now next, Guru Parab. It is celebrated to mark the birthday of the 10 Sikhist gurus. Why are they celebrating this birthday of 10th of Sikh gurus? People go to the Gurudwara on this day for prayers. The people go to Gurudwaras. A community meal called Langar is also held in the Gurudwar. Next, Onam. Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala. During Onam, people sing and dance and boat races are held. What is this? Onam is this festival celebrated in Kerala, Amma. In this, how to celebrate this Onam? Peoples during dance, songs and boat race. Next, Ugadi. Ugadi is the New Year festival of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka and Maharashtra. What is this? This is Ugadi is a New Year festival. In which states are celebrating Ugadi? Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra and Karnataka. These states are celebrated. These states celebrated Ugadi festival. This is the New Year festival. It is celebrated in the month of April. Where it is celebrated, Amma? It is celebrated in the month of April. Okay, children. Now let's see Ganesh Chaturthi. These children like this festival. Okay. Now Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi is the main festival of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Maharashtra. This is the main festival of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Maharashtra. People worship Lord Ganesha on this day. After worshipping Lord Ganesha is immersed in water. So 9 days Lord Ganeshnu ప్రార్థించి ప్రే చేసుకొని దెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ 9th డే నిమజ్జనం చేసేస్తారు, వాటర్లో నిమజ్జనం చేసేస్తారు. దిస్ ఈస్ ద గణేష్ చతుర్థి. దీస్ చిల్డ్రన్స్ లైక్ దిస్ ఫెస్టివల్స్. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్స్, this is about our third lesson, festivals of India. All of you like festivals? Yes. Which festival do you like? I like Diwali, somebody Dasara, Ugadi, whatever may be. Okay. Now children, now FA1 exams then started. Then we'll start 7th November. Yes children, can remember that date? Okay. In next class, I will give FA1 reason amma. What is the portion first and second? These both lessons for your FA1 exam. This is portion. Still any doubts, children? Please ask me in our WhatsApp group. Okay, children. Thank you. Take care. Bye.